Hello and welcome. Today's video is about the power of food journaling. Have you ever journaled your food? It's not the most exciting thing to do, but there is so much power that lies within writing down everything we've eaten, what we've had to drink, and what time. What this can reveal for us are some of the culprits behind joint pain, sleepless nights, swollen fingers, headaches, blurred vision, congestion, runny nose, coughing. What helped me along my journey was taking the courageous effort of writing down my food and how I felt. If we can tune in to how we feel between meals, sometimes things can be illuminated and can maybe save us from a trip to the doctor. Sometimes our symptoms can be related to a corn intolerance, a dairy intolerance, a gluten sensitivity. And these things will come to light as we write them down and really get honest about what we've eaten. And so one of the things that helped me also was to say, okay, Karen, nobody is going to see this. Nobody's going to read this. You're not going to be in trouble. And my clients, when they come to me, oftentimes are very hesitant about a food journal. But the more we share and the more we tune into our own bodies, the more we can fix things. So I know the other day I had dried mango and I had unbearable bone pain. Sugar robs the body of minerals. And so it was like the dried mango just sucked out all of the magnesium and phosphorus out of my bones, and my skeleton ached from about the thighs down. So if you have bone pain, leg cramps, restless leg syndrome, those are signs of too much sugar. So those are some of the things that become illuminated when we food journal. And if you would like to download a free food journal plus directions, it's on my website in the section called Store. And also, I'll put the link to it in the description box below. Please feel free to share anything you discover with me. If you have any questions, I'm happy to help. And may you find joy in the power of food journaling. Thank you.